students, today I will teach you why the sky is blue, why you use the red color in danger signaling, why red light is used in railway danger signaling, in road light also red is used, why sky appears blue, why the sun, you are able to see the sky red in the morning at the time of sunrise, at the time of sunset also sky is red, why you are able to see the sun before sunrise. These all answers. Let's discuss it one by one. So children, when last you might have seen, I have taught you what is the dispersion. When light passes through the prism, it splits into the 7 colors. A splitting of light into the 7 colors is called dispersion. A splitting of white light into its 7 constituent colors. It is your Vizier. Highest wavelength, wavelength is maximum, wavelength is minimum, everything has got their different wavelengths. Wavelength is what? It is called lambda. A complete oscillation, when you catch you jerk the rope, you will find the wave will be formed. Light travels in the form of wave and it also travels in the form of particles. So light has got the wavelength. It travels like this. So this is called a lambda. One complete cycle starting from this to this. This is what one will. Here, this is one wave. Here, this is one. Again here, one. Here, one. Here, one. Here, one. So like this your wavelength is decreasing. So violet color has the lowest wavelength. Now it is sun. We are able to hear. You are seeing the sky. What actually happens? The light having long wavelength with least scatter. Longest wavelength shortest wavelength. White light when it comes to the atmosphere, different constituent colors of the light is getting scattered. जैसे कोई वस्तु मुझे येलो दिखाई, कोई ऑरेंज दिखता है तो ऑरेंज कलर रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है, कोई येलो दिखता है, येलो कलर रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है. Anything you are able to see, it means that color is getting reflected. कोई ग्रीन दिखता है, it means rest all color is observed, only green is reflected back. That reflected light comes to our eye. जो वस्तु, जो चीज ग्रीन कलर को रिफ्लेक्ट कर रही है, वो ग्रीन कलर मेरे पास आ रही है, बाकी सारी कलर वो एब्जॉर्ब कर रहा है. इट मीन्स वो चीज मुझे ग्रीन दिखेगी. जो ऑरेंज को रिफ्लेक्ट करता है वो मुझे ऑरेंज दिखेगा. तो बात साफ है, जो आसमान हमें ब्लू कलर दिख रहा है, इसका मतलब है ब्लू कलर सबसे ज्यादा स्कैटर हुआ है। Maximum the blue color has scattered in the sky is maximum. अब now you will say sir, वेवलेंथ तो वायलेट का सबसे ज्यादा सबसे कम है, तो वायलेट को स्कैटर करना चाहिए। ब्लू, इंडिगो एंड वायलेट ये मिक्स हो जाता है। ब्लू कलर, वायलेट कलर हमें कम सेंसिटिव लगता है, हमें कम दिखता है, उसका कलर बैंड कम है, हमें कम दिखता है। अपार्ट फ्रॉम इंडिगो एंड ब्लू, ये तीनों को मिलाएंगे एक शाइनिंग ब्लू आता है, ये शाइनिंग ब्लू कलर। तो ये जब स्कैटर करता है तो हमें ब्लू कलर पूरे स्काई में ब्लू कलर दिखता है, बिकॉज स्काई लुक्स ब्लू। Sky looks blue because the blue color has shorter wavelength length and it scatter maximum in the sky. When sunlight enters into the Earth's atmosphere, sunlight enters into the Earth's atmosphere. ठीक है? Enters into the Earth's atmosphere. Now, student, pay attention. It is a maximum blue color get scattered. When you see the sky from moon, it appears black. It is because it does not have atmosphere. So children, you know that Earth's atmosphere has multiple lot of particles and different types of gaseous mixture in the atmosphere. When light travels from these mediums, it scatters their light and respond. So a scattered light is blue, and that blue color comes to your eye, you feel that the sky is blue. But really the sky is not blue. It is only the scattering of blue colors of light, that's why it appears. अगर स्काई का खुद का कलर ब्लू होता तो मून से भी ब्लू ही दिखता। नाउ सेकेंड पार्ट, why at the time of sunrise we see sun before actual sunrise. And it looks, and the sky looks red. So what actually happens? You are here and it is your atmosphere. Earth. Sunrise is there. Now what happens? It travels most of the rays are scattered, but only red color, only red light comes to us. Only red light comes to the earth at earth's surface in the morning. Why? Because these light travels maximum distance in the atmosphere. Light has to travel, light does not fall like this. In morning it is coming like this. Obviously it is a more distance. Light travels more distance at the time of sunlight. So other rays get scattered in the atmosphere. Red light has got the maximum wavelength. Light travels, that you write yourself later. Light travels maximum distance. In that red color has got highest wavelength and it travels more distance. So it appears red. Others color are scattered in the atmosphere. So that's why it looks red. Next question. Similar case is the case of sunset also. Here, the distance, when you are able to see at the time of 12 noon, you are able to see the sky directly above the sun is at the head. So you are seeing the all color mix is white color. Now here, also the same condition happens, the red color. In the morning. Now why it looks rising, sunrise you are seeing before actual sunrise, just now children, this is the sun. Rarer, denser, earth. ये अर्थ एक्चुअली वो क्या होगा, जरा ये यहाँ से सन यहाँ आ गया और ऊपर ले, यहाँ से सन यहाँ आया। अब जरा देख लीजिए, ये तुम्हारा नॉर्मल है, कहाँ से रेडिएट करेगा इसका ये आना चाहिए, लेकिन रेयर टू डेंसर में जाएगा, टुवार्ड्स नॉर्मल बेंड करेगा फिर ये पॉइंट हो गया, यहाँ एक नॉर्मल बनाओ, यहाँ से आगे लाइट ऐसे जाए, लेकिन इस नॉर्मल पर क्या होगा, थोड़ा सा इधर जाने के बाद ये यहाँ जाए, फिर यहाँ एक नॉर्मल बनाओ, यहाँ जाने के बजाय ये होना चाहिए था, लेकिन हो गया क्या, यहाँ गया। फिर यहाँ एक नॉर्मल बनाएंगे, इसे ऐसे होना था, यहाँ आ गया, यहाँ नॉर्मल बनाएंगे, ऐसे आना था यहाँ। सो यू आर हियर, ऐसा लग रहा है कि जब तुम यहाँ से अर्थ के सरफेस से देखोगे तो सनराइज यहाँ दिखेगा, एक्चुअल सन यहाँ है। विजिबल यहाँ पर है, एक्चुअल सन ये है और यहाँ पर विजिबल है, दैट इज सी। So children, all three answers you know. Now let me discuss that. Why red light is used in the railway signaling? Because red light scatter west. सबसे कम स्कैटरिंग होगा। क्यों स्कैटरिंग कम होगा? क्योंकि उसका वेवलेंथ सबसे ज्यादा है। नतीजा ये दूर से देखा जा सकता है। That's why all danger signaling are used red color. चाहे कपड़े से रेड कलर या रेलवे सिग्नल रेड कलर, रोड का सिग्नल रेड कलर, एवरीवेयर रेड कलर इज a danger sign. So that you can see from far away, you can keep yourself safe. ठीक है, हमने सारे सवाल के जवाब दे दिए हैं। Now question. Why the sky looks homework? Why sky looks blue? Why we see sun before sunrise? Why at the time of sunrise, the sky looks blue, looks red. This all answer you will write. Why red color used in danger signal? ठीक है? So children, write all question answers. Tomorrow we'll meet. Thank you. In case I hope